Hey guys, thanks for checking out this next video. I just finished up with the welding video, and just to break things up a bit, I thought I would make this first coat of paint into its own video. So here we are. I've got the chassis on some dollies here. I'm gonna lay out a drop cloth and gonna start to hit all of these bottom surfaces with a coat of paint, and then once that's done, I can flip the unit over and just start to get it assembled. As far as the tracks go, they're all welded as well. I'll hit those welds up with some paint. Also, before I get those installed back on the machine, I do have new bearings on the way. So all of those will get replaced. Some of them are seized, so the wheels don't even turn anymore. So we'll get that taken care of on both of them. So there's, what do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 idlers per track, so 22 in total. As far as paint that I'm going to use, this is something I've always used on my projects. It is the trim clad oil-based rust paint. This stuff is fantastic. It does a really good job at coating projects. Just brush it on. It kind of levels itself out and it creates a really nice, smooth, high gloss finish. It takes a couple days to really cure, being an oil-based. And that also means that I'll have to keep the temperature in the garage a little bit warmer. But once this stuff dries, it creates almost like an enamel type of finish that is very durable. Yeah, so I'm going to get the drop cloth down, get a couple of these cans mixed up. Hopefully I can start to use up some of these old ones before I tap into this new one here, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, well, I've got most of the first coat finished here on the bottom of the snowcat. So that trim clad, it once you brush it on, it leaves a pretty nice smooth finish. Once it dries and kind of cures, it'll leave like a pretty hard, durable coating, and it should last a really long time. I've done a trailer with this same paint. It's probably lasted the better part of 15 years without needing paint now. Beauty is you just slap the stuff on with a brush. You don't really need to do any prep. It'll stick to anything, and yeah, it doesn't peel. It's pretty much permanent once it's on there. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry with the heater now, kind of radiating some warmth on it. That will help accelerate the drying process a little bit, and then I'll put the exhaust fan on just to get rid of some of the fumes in here after a while. But yeah, that's it for now. Just gonna let it dry. Well, the underside has now had 24 hours to dry, and yeah, it's turned out really nicely actually. As usual, all the brush marks disappear, and it just turns into a nice high gloss finish. And so yeah, now I'm gonna flip it over and get a coat onto the top side and let it dry for another 24 hours. Today's Sunday, so it should be kind of manageable by Monday, and I'm expecting a whole bunch of parts to come in by Wednesday, Thursday, so that means that it should be kind of workable and I can start assembling things probably next weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other coat paint on and keep going here. And there's the top side. It's all coated up now, ready to start curing. I'm gonna put the propane sunflower heater on it for a while, and it should be dry to the touch in about 6 or 7 hours, so I can move it back to the storage location, and then it can just kind of cure for the next couple days in that spot. But more or less, yeah, it's pretty much ready for some parts to start going on it, and yeah, seeing this thing come together. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hey guys, well, it's been a couple days now since I've finished painting the chassis for the Snowcat here, and it's turned out pretty good. The finish is nice and dry. I wouldn't say it's hard yet. You could still scratch it off, but yeah, give it a couple weeks and it'll actually kind of cure into a hard enamel type of finish. But more or less that's it. There's really not much left. I'm expecting the front drive motors to come in any day now, and so I can get these plates welded in once those are here. I'm suspecting they're going to be pretty close to where they need to be already. And aside from that, yeah, I'm going to hopefully start to assemble some stuff, so stay tuned.